Yo, what's up guys? Awaken Gaming here again with another video. So today we're going to be talking about Hack the Box, and more specifically how to defeat the invitation challenge. So to get started, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about Hack the Box. Basically, it's a platform that allows you to VPN into it, and then it gives you access to multiple servers that you're allowed to hack, and it's completely legal. You can go all the way from the initial port scan to detecting vulnerable services, exploiting those services, getting your initial foothold, and then pivoting through, lateral pivoting, as well as privilege escalation. And finally you get the two flags, the user flag and the root flag, and you submit those. So it's kind of CTF like, capture the flag like, but so it's definitely a lot more lifelike than normal capture the flags are. Anyway, so let's go ahead and jump into this challenge. Can I take a second to say this website is beautiful? Look at the interaction between the mouse and these little lines here. That's awesome. Anyway, so we're going to want to come in here and go to hackthebox.eu/invite. I'll leave that description down in the, or I'll leave that link down in the description so you guys can find it easier. So you right click and inspect, and we're looking for something that will give us some sort of foothold here. So it'll probably be in one of these scripts here. So if we go through, that's Google Analytics. This is front end min.js. Here's invite API. So if we let's look at that. Yep, and this is it. And also there's this, which is kind of like a decoy. They do like to put decoys in quite a bit. Basically this, when you go to the console, it'll print this out. That's really all this is. But anyway, so we found this, and if we scan through here to see anything interesting, we see make invite code. Okay, so this looks like JavaScript perhaps. So if we come in here and we go to console, see there's that keep calm, and then it says dev tools blah blah blah. So if we come in here and we try to type that in, we can maybe interact with that API and get something going here. So let's try that out. So if we make invite code and then close it off because we think it's JavaScript, since it's in the JavaScript folder, press enter, and we get a 200 success. If we drill down into this, we get some weird data looking stuff here, and it identifies the encryption type here. So if we go ahead and grab this by double clicking and Control C, it says it's ROT13. So if we ROT13 decode, and this may be different, they change the encryption type every time, so you might get base64, you might get brainfuck, you might get ROT13 rather. It just depends, so you have to make sure that you look at this encryption type. So here it's ROT13, so if we paste that in, it says in order to generate the invitation code, make a post request to API invite generate. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. If you already have Kali Linux, you can use Burp Suite to do this, but we do not. So we're going to do it in a console, and since we're running Windows right now, we're going to do this in command prompt, or if you're using a Linux device, you can use that in the prompt there as well. So we're going to do a curl command on this, and this does work in Windows. So curl dash, I think it's x post, and then https :/www. hackthebox.eu / and it said API invite generate. So API invite generate. And we get this, we get a success, and then we get some code here as well, and this says that it's encoded as well, and from the alphanumeric state and it using equal sign to get it into an even number, we can tell this is base 64. So we control C that, then we can go to a base 64 decoder, base 64 decoder, and we can paste this in as well and then decode it, and here we get our invitation code. So if we copy that, come back here, and we paste it in, we sign up. I've already signed up, so it's going to take me to a different screen. I'll actually open up an incognito window and show you guys what you will land on. Go to invite challenge, we paste our code in there, we can sign up, and it says congratulations, got it, telling you about cookies. So then you would use your username, email, password, accept. You don't have to do product services, and then register, and then it will take you to this page. This is kind of just like information, you know, that's how many machines are currently active, that's how many people are online, that's how many connections, response time, heat map, VPN origins. Most everybody's coming from US, top teams. Just it's a pretty decent looking interface, but that'll be it for this tutorial. If you guys needed any help, if I wasn't clear about something, or you get stuck on a part, please leave that in the description and I'll help you as best as possible. If you do like this content and want more, we will be doing a how to install Kali Linux and get that all set up along with your VPN access and all that, so that we can begin to actually hack some of these boxes. We'll be doing that in the next episode, so if you guys would like to return for that content, please consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell, so that way you're alerted to when I make these videos. With that being said, thank you guys so much for taking some of your time out of your day to spend that with me, and I'll see you next time.